Hello everyone, very warm welcome once again to your favorite channel, that is StudyIQ IAS English. My name is Praveen Mishra and we are going to discuss another hot topic of the day. So, is this universe, are we alone in this universe? Are we the only living species in the whole of the universe? Well, so far the answer could be yes or no both, because we haven't got any specific or any concrete evidence yet, that is, any sort of life is present outside Earth or not. From the satellites to another heavenly bodies, the planets, asteroids, or whatsoever, till yet, no scientific expedition or experiment or particular type of exploration has proven that yet, yes, there is life on some other areas outside Earth as well. But it's now a matter of too much of curiosity and a matter of too much of excitement for all of us that recently the scientists using the James Webb Telescope have stated that on one of the exoplanet, that is termed as K2-18b, there could be high possibilities of life existing there. Yes guys, a planet that is around 100 light years away from Earth. It is said that a part of an exoplanet that is not part of our solar system. So an exoplanet, and what the scientists they have claimed using the James Webb Telescope, that yes, there could be, once again, not they have justified totally that yes, there is life. They have stated that could be, the life would be present there on the planet that is K2-18b. Remember guys, an exoplanet, not part of our solar system. So here's the whole news. What is it? Scientists have discovered evidence of large quantities of biosignature chemicals that are only known to be made by life on Earth. So on an exoplanet that is named as K2-18b, that is nearly 100 light years away from us. So it could be the most promising sign yet of alien life, right guys? Please make it clear. The word could be, not yet justified. What it is stated, could be the most promising sign. Okay, not yet known. Okay, research is still going on. Okay, so what are those biosignatures scientists have observed? Okay, so as what we can see, the names of the biosignatures. Okay, here we go. On Earth, these molecules, that is dimethyl sulfide, in short DMS, and dimethyl disulfide, in short DMDS, they are only produced by life. Life as in the marine algae or maybe some other microbes as well, right? And before now, DMS, that is dimethyl sulfide, and DMDS, that is dimethyl disulfide, had not been, okay, definitely detected in the atmospheres of any other planets or moons. So far, DMS and DMDS, we have identified it on our planet only, okay, through the biological process of the marine animals, marine species, specifically the algae or some other microbes as well. But yet it is yet to be, okay, stated that these are the things which are also available into other locations outside Earth. But for the first time, scientists using the James Webb Telescope has stated again that could be possible chances that life is there. Okay, that is, they have signed, they have witnessed the signature, the biosignature of the release of DMS and DMDS on the exoplanet that is K2-18b. Right? So what we can see here, while it is theoretically possible, mark this thing please, okay, what scientists are claiming, okay, while it is theoretically possible for these biosignatures, okay, or these chemicals to be created without the presence of life. Now, all of the curiosity is now under the question mark. Once scientists, on one side, scientists they have stated that there could be presence of life. But to be on the safe side, they have also stated that these type of biochemicals or these type of biosignatures, that is DMS and DMDS, they could be also processed without any sort of biological species involved in it. Right, so that is theoretically possible, okay, what they have stated, while it is theoretically possible for these chemicals to be created without okay, to be created without the presence of life. Okay, so they are considered potential biosignatures on the other worlds, but yet the scientific exploration is to answer that whether these so-called biosignatures of the release of DMS and DMDS has been because of any sort of biological process or because of any other process that is not involving any sort of life. Okay, so but yeah, the feature that we need to understand, that could be possible chances that there is a particular life present into the exoplanet, that is K2-18b, which is 2.6 times larger the size of our planet, and it is termed as a Hessian planet. Okay, when we talk about the features here, so it is what, 2.6 times the size of our planet, and it is termed as what, the Hessian planet, okay, or the Hessian world. That means, okay, it is potentially has a planet-wide ocean and an atmosphere rich in hydrogen. So guys, what we need to mark, okay, here, that is, if there is a planet which is having an ocean in itself, which is the size of the planet itself, that means having utmost amount of hydrogen. So that particular planet, we call it as the Hessian planet or the Hessian world. So the word Hessian, it will be used for a particular planet which is having an ocean in itself, which is as big as the planet's size itself, right? So that will be what? Hessian. So with regard to the name K2-18b, it is what? An exoplanet, first of all. Secondly, 2.6 times bigger than that of our planet's size. Okay, 100 light years, exactly what scientists have stated. It is 124 light years away from us, right? Okay, next thing. The previous exploration using the James Webb Telescope itself, scientists, okay, they have stated that sulfur, okay, what is that? Methane and carbon dioxide is also visible in the atmosphere of K2-18b. So because of the presence of methane as well as carbon dioxide and now DMS and DMDS, scientists are now very much curious and they are very much giving extra amount of attention towards this planet, that yes, there could be aliens. So guys, be prepared. We might be having Jadoo or Thanos or someone from the Guardians of Galaxy coming to our planet. So let's be good hosts and welcome our guests in case they do exist, right? Okay. So coming to the point of the telescope, this is what you are watching. It is James Webb Telescope, created with the help of 3 organizations, and these are the names, that is NASA of America, ESA, that is European Space Agency, and Canadian Space Agency, the 3 elite space agencies of the globe. They have created it in the year December 2021. And what is the exact location this particular telescope is targeting? So it is targeting the L2 Lagrange point, okay, where it is targeting the L2 Lagrange point, that is 1.5 million kilometers beyond Earth orbit near the Sun. Okay, so simply speaking, where is this James Webb Telescope targeting? So it is targeting 1.5 million kilometers ahead of Earth near the Sun. There is a point, we call it as L2 Lagrange point. Okay, so this is the particular point between Earth and Sun, specifically 1.5 million kilometers away from us. Okay, and there James Webb Telescope is targeting. And it is having 4 different goals. Okay, when you talk about the James Webb Telescope, it is having 4 different goals. And what are these goals? Firstly, the first is to look back at the origin of universe, that is 13.5 billion years back, and see how did really this so-called Big Bang happened. Second, to compare the faintest and the earlier galaxies to the today's grand spirals, that is the galaxies. Okay, so comparing the erstwhile and the present galaxies. Okay, the older, not erstwhile, sorry, the older as well as the present galaxies whatsoever we have. Like for example, we have got the Milky Way, so we have got the Andromeda as well, the another galaxy, right? So comparing. Third, to see where stars and planetary systems are being born, their point of origin. Okay, and fourth, the last, to observe the atmospheres of the extra or the exoplanets, extrasolar planets, right? That is beyond the solar systems. Okay, so K2-18b is what? K2-18b is one of the extrasolar planet. Okay, right? So these are the four goals of the telescope, that is James Webb Telescope. Okay, as you can see, it is equipped with gold plating and beryllium. The most important thing, guys. Okay, what is this? So 18 hexagonal segments are there. Okay, which is covered with the element or the metal beryllium and gold. Okay, so it is covering, okay, the telescope's front panel, okay, from which it is receiving all of the information. It is covered with what? The metal, that is beryllium, and apart from that, yes, it is also covered with gold in order to capture the faint infrared lights. Okay, and yes, it is also having all the other equipments. Let's say we have got the multi-layer sun shield, and yes, star trackers, as in small telescopes that use star patterns to target the observatory. And it has got the spacecraft bus as well, as in where all the equipments are kept. Okay, and apart from that, earth pointing antenna through which we control the telescope. And yes, it is also having the science instrument module, that is ISIM. What is this? It houses all of the web cameras and the scientific instruments, right? So it having the most important thing that you need to mark, James Webb Telescope, its front panel is made up of what? Is made up of the metal, that is beryllium, and apart from that, it is covered with gold in order to sustain the infrared lights. Okay, guys, so this is all with regard to the James Webb Telescope, the K2-18 planet that might be having life, might be. So let's wait, okay, and wait and watch. It's the concern, it's the matter of excitement and curiosity for all of us. Do aliens exist? Maybe, maybe not. Okay, guys, so this is me, Praveen Mishra, signing off for the day. See you soon in the next session, where we'll be discussing about the MCQs related to the day's current affairs. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. And yes, please do not forget to subscribe to the StudyIQ IAS English channel. Okay, from 9 a.m. in the morning to 10:30 p.m. in the night. Continuously, we are providing you the best sort of relatable content from current affairs to static that is required for you to, just crack the UPSC CSE, that is Civil Services Examination. Okay, guys, so please do not forget to subscribe it so that you get all the proper updates from the channel. Right, everyone? And further, for the further updates and further this discussion, okay, we can have the connection here, that is with regard to Telegram, that is study_with_Praveen, the channel name, or you can also connect with me on my Instagram as well, that is Praveen Mishra _2107. So wherever you wish to connect, you are free, okay, on Instagram or Telegram. It's up to you, okay, and let me know, ping me, and let me know what are your doubts and how can I assist you in eliminating your doubts. Okay, I shall be surely considering them. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye. Good day. Take care. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.